Let's try adding a couple of fractions. When adding fractions, always remember to make the denominators common before adding. Here we have 1 over 6 and 1 over 4. How do we make them common? Well, we find a common multiple. What's a common multiple between 6 and 4? 12. Both of them go into 12. How do I turn 6 into 12? I multiply by 2. How do I turn 4 into 12? I multiply by 3. Now, I've got to do the same to the top and to the bottom. Which means for this one, I multiply the top by 3, and for this one, I multiply the top by 2. Let's make our new fractions. 1 times 2 is 2, and 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Add them up, you get 5 over 12.